Introducing learning sessions. Teach your robot any skill, one demonstration at a time. This is where it all begins. A single dashboard for the entire learning journey. Define your task. Choose your robot. Pick an algorithm. Set your goal. Today, we are teaching a robot to pick up a red bottle cap. 5 robot platforms supported, from desktop arms to full humanoids. Set your success threshold. The platform guides you there. 1 click to start. The pipeline handles the rest. 5 views. Overview. Training dynamics. Failure analysis. Model comparison. Session history. Everything you need, nothing you do not. Watch the loss curve fall in real time. See exactly what each demonstration teaches the model. Failure analysis. The platform shows you where the robot struggles and tells you exactly what data